Hey, what's up guys? I go by the name Soji Gray and welcome to another episode of the best Android home screen setup for the month of April. I hope you guys are staying safe, by the way, and I hope you guys are self-isolating as well so that we flatten the curve and beat this COVID virus. If you're new here, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below so that anytime a new video is released, you'll be updated instantly. So this setup is a very exciting setup and it has an iOS theme, and I love how it looks and all that. The launcher I used in this setup is from Lawnchair. Launcher has a ton of features. You can actually tweak everything from your drawer to your home screen, and in general it's a well-built launcher. The icon pack I used in this setup is from Pixel Q, and coming from the Pixel 3 XL using Android 10 and how circular the icons are, I feel this icon pack is very similar to that, and in my opinion it's very familiar, and that's why I love it. So the widgets on this setup are all from the Shadow KWGT widget, and I must say it looks amazing. So the widget at the top is called Shadow 009, and I really love how font heavy it is. It gives you details such as the time, and it gives you details such as the date and weather information as well. It looks pretty simple and very clean in my opinion. So right after the top widget, we have another widget from Shadow KWGT, and it's called Shadow 023, and it looks like a cluster of other smaller widgets. So you have a toggle widget that gives you access to your mail, your call app, to toggle your Wi-Fi on or off, your Bluetooth on or off, or to change notifications from vibrations to silent to normal. So you have that as well. And then you have another set that gives you access to Google Assistant, to maps, to contacts, and then there's another set that gives you a music widget. So it looks very clean, just like the control center in iOS, and I really love how they've been able to fuse all these together to form one beautiful widget on this setup. And lastly, we have a widget from Shadow KWGT called Shadow 011, and this is a simple Google search bar that lives at the bottom of the setup. And once you click it, it takes you into the Google app. I really love how clean this looks. So, I mean, in all, this setup comes to life, but because it's a light theme, I was able to get this look by choosing a white wallpaper. So it's a plain white wallpaper that all these widgets can sit on, and it looks very amazing. If you want to replicate the same thing with the dark theme widgets they have, you can also try and get a dark wallpaper or a blank black wallpaper. I think that's also going to work as well. So it depends on what you want. So this is the setup I have for you guys. What do you think about it? I'm super excited for this. I've been using it for some days now, and I just can't switch because it's so good. Let me know what you think down in the comment section. As you guys already know, I'm going to leave all the links to where you can get everything to download, including the wallpaper, down in the description section. So make sure to check it out and make sure to leave comments down below as well. I go by the name Soji Gray, and I'll catch you in another video. Stay blessed.